I thought I would be writing about Theodore Roosevelt in the Badlands, about his formative experiences in North Dakota and how nature was his classroom and essentially saved his life. But as I was researching, I kept bumping into these extraordinary women. His mother, his two sisters, and his two wives. And they were giving him advice and influencing his political opinions. They were involved in every aspect of every decision he ever made. And I thought, well, these have always been secondary characters to the story I know. This is not the story I was told growing up in North Dakota and going to Medora. That's the story that I want to tell.